Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to request a refund for your TickPick tickets using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TickPick app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Tickets at the bottom of your screen. Here you will see all your upcoming events and the ticket you own. Find the ticket you want to refund and tap on it to open the ticket details. You will see options like ticket or ticket info. Look for a button that says Request Refund and tap it. TickPick will show you the refund policy for that ticket. Read the information carefully so you know if the ticket is eligible for a refund. Enter any required information and tap Submit Refund Request. TickPick will send your request to their support team for review. You will get an email confirmation that your refund request has been received. Refund usually take a few business days to process depending on the payment method. You will be notified by email when your refund is approved and the money is returned to your account. And that's it. That's how you request a refund on your TickPick tickets using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.